Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this third TypeScript video tutorial we will see how we can make our first program in the TypeScript and run it on the browser. So before just starting this video, I want to tell you that we cannot run TypeScript program directly. We have to convert them in the JS file, then we can use them. So now maybe you have a question that, okay, so now we have to learn about how we can just convert the TS file to the JS file. No, we don't need to learn this because TypeScript will do it automatically, all right? And we will see that how we will do it. So these are small steps. So first of all, we will just make a TS file. We will write some code in this file, and then we will run it with a TypeScript compiler. Right, I am just adding to C here also. Then it will generate a JS file. We will make a HTML file also, and we will add this JS file to the HTML file and we will run it on the Chrome. So now let's see. This is my folder where I just want to make the whole code and whole files, and this is here. All right, I am just going to make a file with the name of app.ts. all right, and you can see that this file is also generated here. So now I am just going to make a very basic code, and after this basic code I will just show you a class based code also, right? So, and in the let A I have like hello ts, all right, and just make it console.warn or console.log, just write here A, all right. And to run it, you can just directly open the command line from here, and if you just want to shortcut, then you can use the Control C and tilt in the Visual Studio Code. So now you just have to use here TypeScript compiler and just use here app.ts, and you will see that it will generate a JS file. Here you can see that for a moment the both file have the same code, you can see that, all right. But in the next example, in the same video, you will see that there is a lots of different in the both of code, because this is a basic, but after this I will just show you the class based example. All right, so we have now the converted file, so we can make a HTML file also, html dot not index.html, and just write here small code, and we can remove this extra code. Just write here script like this, and just write here script, and just write here add.js. Now our if you just want to make some h1 tag like this, then you can also find type script or something, right? So now I am just going to run this program to the Chrome, and let's open the console, and here you can see that our code is working fine. That's great. Now let's take a little bit a complex example. So let's take a class app, and it have a function like test. This is very similar to the C++ and the Java, right? I can just make it console.warn and just write here test function working. But keep in mind that in the JavaScript or in the TypeScript, we don't need to use the function keyword inside the class. So just remove it, make it simple, and just take a let a equal to new app. It's this is an instance of application app class, and just use here a.test. That's great, all right. And now you can see that there is a very small code, but now you will see that the lots of code will be generated in this file. So now just use here tsc app.ts again, and now you can see that there is a lots of new code, all right. So it have some comments, it have a function, it have a prototype, return, immediate invoking function, and all right. So now let's see, is it working or not? Just make it refresh. Yeah, test function is working. That's great. So now you learn the first program, that how you can just make a simple class or a first program in the TypeScript. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.